Hey everybody and beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this beautiful Valentine's Day look using my Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. Here it is. Here's all the beautiful colors. And so please keep watching if you want to see how I did it. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel, ring my bell, and let's get into this look. Just don't mind my face. I've been really stressed out, so this is what happens when you get really stressed out. I start to break out, but it just happens with life and things going on. Anyways, let's get into this look. I'm going to be using my Blood Sugar palette to be doing this look, my Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I absolutely love this palette. I've only used it a few times because I've got so many other palettes, but I figure for Valentine's Day, this is the perfect palette to use. So let's just get into this look. For the first color, I'm going to go in, I think, Fresh Meat, this one here. And to save time, I already did my eyebrows and I prepped my eyes with my P. Louise base in Rumor 1. I might have to put a little bit more, but we'll see. So I'm going to be changing my beauty room up, hopefully today if I have time. This room is so a mess and I just hate the way it looks. I just want to get the color all over my lid. So I'm just going to be taking my BH Cosmetics 24 brush in the color Fresh Meat to do that. I'm going to do the color Extraction. I'm going to go on top a little bit with it. I'm taking a Morphe M153 brush to do that. Then I'm going to blend both of the colors together. M504 brush and just blending out some of those edges. Okay, so I'm going to take the color Coma and I'm going to go on top of Extraction. Then I'll blend it out. Now I'm going to blend again with my Morphe brush. Okay, so in order to make the cut crease stay on better, I learned this little trick from LSG. I will link her channel down below. She said to take a little bit of the color off of your lid so that your cut crease could stay better. So I'm going to take my Rumor 1 P. Louise base and my Sigma E56 brush and I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, the next color I'm going to go in with, it would be on top of the cut crease. I'm going to go in with the color, should I go in with Cavity or Root Canal? Root Canal or Cavity? Probably Cavity because it's a Valentine's Day look. I'm going to take my Morphe M210 brush to do that. I'm going to clean it up a little bit because there's still some color from the last. Just going to pop that on my inner crease and do the same thing on this side. pink candy floss on the outer V area. And then I'm gonna blend them together. Okay, so I was just blending out the colors. I need to blend them out some more. I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face off this camera. I burned my face when I was waxing. Don't do that. So I'll be right back. Hey everybody, welcome back. So my look is completed. I absolutely love it. I finished off my face with this Too Faced Love Flush blush. A little bit of this goes a long way. I didn't realize how deep the pigments in it are. And so like when I put it on, it was like really pink. And I was like, oh no, it was a little too pinky. I put my Jeffree Star Red Rum lip ammunition on my lips and I lined it with my NYX liner. I absolutely love how this look came out. It looks very gorgeous. I also put my Glitter Pop Peel Off eyeliner above my crease a little bit just to give it a little bit more of a pop kind of look. I lined my lower lash line with this Ultra Soft eyeliner. It's a purple eyeliner that I have. I just went under waterline. Then underneath my lash line, I went in with Coma. And I just took a little brush and I finished it up like that. And I also put on my Master Holographic Maybelline highlighter. I couldn't find my Jeffree Star one. I don't know where it was. So this is the end of my look. I absolutely love how it looks. It looks really good. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Ring my bell. And I hope you guys all have a great Valentine's Day. Bye everybody. Bye beautiful people.